Happy birthday! Birthday boy! Breakfast muna kami bago kami pumunta sa ano. Same food. Ganun pa rin naman. Singapore. We are just waiting for our Grab. We're going to Malaysia.
Singapore. I need Legoland.
Ay, baby, you're so heavy. I cannot carry.
SPW.
Hintayin lang namin yung Grab namin. Nag-Grab na kami para papunta sa pick-up location kasi kaya naman sana lakarin kaso 1 kilometer walk. So, bawal maglakad si Buntis. Ayan. So, tsaka para mas mabilis kasi before 8:30 daw dapat nandun na kami. Di ba, Lev?
SPW.
King birthday pin.
Yeah, we will ask. Outfit. Show your outfit. Lev. Yan na outfit niya. Lev, show your outfit. Come on. Wow.
Medyo miss na yan.
Wow. New shoes. Cool. Yan yung bago niyang shoes. Happy birthday. Baby here. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Levi. What is on your Lego wish list? No, not the Jurong East. Dito tayo. Singapore Flyer. We're here at Singapore Flyer. Ang aga namin, sabi nga nung Grab, sarado pa daw to. Sabi ko, no, we're here for the the bus transfer to Malaysia. This is the pickup location. So, inintay na lang namin kung saan dito yung pickup location. Sabi kasi 30 minutes early eh. Pero actually 1 hour early kami. So, pero ang ganda dito. Ayun yung yung Singapore Flyer. Oh. There. Pwede siguro tayo mag-picture dito. Habang walang tao. Yan. Andito na kami sa Singapore Flyer. And malapit lang siya sa Marina Bay Sands. Ayun yung Gardens by the Bay. Oh. So, siguro mamaya pag din-wrap off tayo, Daddy, pwede na tayong pumunta dyan. Ayan yung Art Science Museum yata. Gusto mo ba pumunta dyan, Lev? Ayan yung famous na
Mommy.
may bayad yan pag-aakyat ka dun sa taas. Yung pinakataas, may bayad yun. Hindi na kami nag-purchase yan kasi malululain naman ako tsaka si Lev. So, hindi na. Ayun, may mga may mga keme. Pwede naman palang dito dumaan eh. Mikot pa tayo. But yeah, there. Mag-picture lang kami dito. Ang ganda oh. Philippines.
Korean. No, Philippines.
Habang naghihintay kami. Dito daw, tinawagan ko na yung KK Day mismo. Ang bilis ng sumagot ng customer service nila. Minake sure ko lang na walang changes sa sa pick-up location. Kasi nga ang aga namin, di ba? And parang kami pa lang kasi yung nandito. Well, anyway, ayun na nga. Anong tawag dito? Ayun nga, wala naman daw anything na nagbago. Basta wala kami na-receive na notification or email daw na may changes. Same lang. So, dito lang. Kinakabahan lang kami kasi ang aga nga namin, di ba? So, yun. Pin-prepare ko na yung passports and ticket namin. What? Kasi, syempre, tatawid tayo ng ibang bansa. So, kailangan dala yung passport. So, yun. Again, binook namin to through KK Day. And yung amount niya is, magkano na nga to? Dali. Nasend na kasi yung voucher eh. Wala na siyang price eh. Pero check natin sa KK Day yung mga available nila na makulit nila. So, ayan.
Binili natin.
So, today, as of today, 965 pesos na lang yung entrance fee ng Legoland. Yung one-day ticket lang sa Legoland mismo ha, yung park lang. Kasi iba-iba yun eh. May sea adventure yata, ganun-ganyan. Hindi na namin kinuha yun kasi yung park lang naman talaga gusto ni Lev. Hindi naman kami magsiswimming. Meron din kasi dun yung pwede kang mag-swimming. So, kinuha lang namin is yung one-day ticket. So, kung kunwari, lalagyan mo siya ng Lalagyan mo siya ng coach transfer. Ayun pala, theme park, sea life, and water park. Yung water park, yun yung magsuswimming. Yung pwede ka mag-swimming. Yung sea life is parang sea aquarium lang. So, hindi na kami pumunta dun. Tapos, kung may coach transfer, plus yung ticket, 1,882. So, two-way na yung nun. Two-way na yung papunta pabalik na yun. Mas maganda book nyo ng mas maaga. So, yun nga, 1,882 pag with coach transfer na papunta sa Malaysia, sa Legoland mismo, and pabalik. Ang lang is maaga ang sundo pag pabalik na. I mean, maaga kayong aalis dun sa sa Legoland. Magtanong tayo. Kasi hanggang 8 PM ang closing ng Legoland, and may event nga sila ng 5 to 8. Kasi nga, di ba, pa-Halloween ngayon. So, sayang. Hindi namin ma-avail yun. Kasi nga, 5 PM yung sundo nung transfers. Ayan na yung bus. Ayan na siya. Andyan sa big bag, sa pinakalikod. Andyan na yan siya. WTS Travel. So, ikot kami ng ikot. May nakalagay pala. Yan. May nakalagay pala, ayan no, meeting point. Ayan, nakalagay dito. Meeting point, coach to Malaysia, WTS Travel. Dito tayo, para kita yung yung star flyer. Daddy. Hello. Smile, Lev. Smile. Tatanong natin siya. Hi, Lev. Lev. Kaalis na yung bus. We're going to... Super excited. Daddy. Si Daddy nasa hawak. May ka lang dyan.
So comfortable, and no one seems to hold me like you do. You're so wonderful. A star could never shine as bright as you. Shine as bright as you. Even the dark days still see light. Even the birds still sing at night. Every word just comes out right when I'm with you, with you. I feel so lucky I met you, and I still can't believe that I get to see those eyes for more than tonight. Swear you must have fell from the sky.
Yun, nakastock kami dito sa may Malaysian Immigration, sa Malaysian Embassy. Pinababa kami lahat. Kanina bumaba din kami sa Singaporean Immigration. Kasi umalis nga, lumabas kami ng Singapore, diba? So, ngayon, dito na kami sa sa Malaysia naman. And, tapos na kami sa immigration, tinatakan yung passport. Then, Legoland na, no? Excited?
Legoland.
Is that the Legoland?
That's the Lego Tower.
Huh?
I think that's
Yay! Whoops! He's so excited. Where's the tickets? Yay! We're here! Mainit! Where are you, Lev?
Tabuk.
Tabuk. Tabuk. Oh, it's so hot. Hello, good morning. We're here in Legoland. Oh, parang si Tito Louie daw yun. Ayun, nagsa-sign up. Wow, we're here. Doon na tayo diretso. May ticket na tayo. Oh my God. You want to take a photo? Huh? We're here. Levo, Legos, oh. Lev, there, oh. This is the sea life. But yeah, we're not going there. Dito lang kami. We will get his birthday pin here. Yay! Meron na siyang birthday
There's
pin.
DVD toy.
Yeah. Let me see your pin. It's my birthday today. Humingi kami dun sa guest service. Pag birthday nyo, pwede kayong kumuha niyan. Basta pakita nyo yung ID nyo na may birthday or yung passport yun. So, yan. Binigyan siya. Yay! Souvenir namin na yan.
What's this?
I saw the map. It's the map right. It's beside this one.
But I think we need to eat first.
Pwede natin tingnan.
Oh, let's look. Naman.
Oo.
Kain muna kami. Meron din ko to. No.
So total 111.
Nagreklamo si Daddy, guys. Kasi ito yung bill namin. 111. So, nung kinonvert namin sa peso, ha? That is 1,000 na agad. Yung meal naming tatlo, 1,000 na. Well, ganun talaga. Mahal talaga dito. Sabi ko nga. Ooh, this here. Thank you. You say thank you, baby. Thank you. So this is the food. This is mine. Chicken wrap. That is for Daddy. Ang laki naman ng serving, be.
Ito pala yung sa akin.
Diba? Tignan mo naman. Malaki naman yung serving
Pala
niya.
libo.
Dapat
pala
Tignan mo naman ito. Oh. Spaghetti niya. For sure, hindi niya maubos yan. And with salad. And they greeted him happy birthday because he's wearing the pin. That's it. May event. Sakto kumakain si Lev. Happy birthday! Birthday meal!
So, guys, where are we going?
The castle.
We going to Oh, kiri.
Kanan.
Yeah, right.
There's Bowser.
Set.
Alright guys, you got another one more.
Levy! Levy! Hi! Go! Enjoy!
Okay, so are you ready guys? Okay, you can go now. Okay, step and turn over there. Turn over there. Okay, go one by one guys. One by one.
Eyes on the road. Right over here.
Left only.
Look straight. Look where you're going, Ganesh.
Get prepared to turn when you want to turn, okay?
And back to your parents. Enjoy the rest of your day at Legoland Malaysia Resort. Thank you and bye bye guys.
Good job, o diba? May driving license na si Lev. Congratulations! Show them, show them.
Kapag nasa castle ka, nawala ka pa sa castle eh.
Oh, let's go. Ayun o, Legoland Express. Train. Ayan. Lev, sit down.
Okay, tayo ka lang.
Yeah.
Lev, mamaya yan ang fire truck. Fire truck. May fire truck.
Grabe, sobrang init dito. I cannot. Nag-stay lang ako dito. Hinintay ko sila daddy kasi pumila sila dito sa ayan, yung parang ambulance. Yan, pumila sila. Hindi na ako sumama, sila na lang. Parang mga next batch pa sila. Yun. Maganda naman dito pero mainit. Mainit lang.
In 3, 2, 1, move. Up, and down. Inside the fire building. Okay, guys. Keep moving, pump, up and down.
Lev!
Okay, aim the water inside the circle.
Good job, good job.
Okay, good job everyone. Now you
Yay! Exercise.
Alright, good job everyone. So this from don't forget to change your hair.
We will watch a show. What's the show? The Lego Ninjago Shadow of... Ano yun? Nakalimutan ko na. Pagod sila ni Daddy eh. Daddy, pagod ka?
Akala ko pang bata.
Ayun, ayun, ayun.
That light will have a choice. A choice for you.
We could be a wet blanket pile. The last time you said that, the dojo nearly burned down.
Something looks like a strong fire to me. Not my dragon. Bandit has
Keep it up, Bandit!
Hey, Kai, Mia told me what you did.
Joe, look at your lips. Mula yung bibig niya.
Sa Land of Adventures. Wala yatang Dino Island.
Wala, sarap.
Beetle Bounce, Lost of Kingdom.
Sino sa
Parowa Revenge. Adventure Depot.
Oh, wala pa yung castle dun pa. Ito ba na?
Ito Lost Kingdom.
Lost Kingdom. Yeah, and then we will go to the castle.
So yun guys, punta sila dito sa Lost Kingdom Adventure. Ito. Yarn. Kaso bawal ako. Bawal ang pregnant dyan. So sila na lang ni Daddy. Ayun yung dalawa. Ayun yung mag-ama. Yan. Pila. Mabilis lang naman yung pila. What happened? What happened? Ano nangyari? Meron sa loob.
yung parang adventure na babaril-baril mo doon sa loob.
Nag-enjoy naman siya. Dati po nasa mga ilong niya ito yung wipes, so.
Head, 1, 2, 3.
Ang daming ayaw puntahan ni Lev kasi na-atat na siyang pumunta dun sa ano. Magpa-picture ayaw. May time siya. It's a pass. May oras, daddy eh. May oras eh.
Ito gusto mo, Lev?
Mas mataas yan.
Ganito.
Are you building, Lev?
Why is everyone building cars?
We have 3 sets of wheels. And
Fail.
At ang tunay na nag-enjoy ay yung ama po, mga kaibigan. Go! Yung bata umakyat na doon para i-test yung Lego niya. Nasira na naman yung Lego niya. Ayan po si Lev. Broken again? Uh-oh. Naman si Daddy, naayos niya mo. You get the wheel.
Hanap ka ng manipis. Oh, nice. Oh, halika. Yeah. Marami pa. Kala nyo lang.
Ang dami namang sarado.
Meron pa dun. Oh. Baka dyan yung castle.
Yun na! Yun na yung castle, oh!
Shake,
Oh, yun.
shake, shake.
Walang shake dito. Bidi sila mahilig sa shake.
Start na. Maghahanap daw kami ng mga monsters around this one. Oh, come on.
Ito yung horse?
Hindi kaya yan? Hindi naman yan.
Inside! Check natin. Iba na po eh.
Excited. Ito na. Bibili na siya ng birthday gift niya. It's like a lot.
Yeah,
Minecraft. May nahanap siya eh. Oopsie. Mario. Oh, Bowser. Mario. Also have Sonic here. Avatar. Nahihilo na yung bata. Pati yung tatay po, nahihilo na rin. Harry Potter. Power. You check everything first before getting. Sure, ito lang. Ito lang, sure ka?
I don't see finding.
Okay. You should have baby, get ka ng ano mo. What's that? Are you sure? Pag-uisipan mo mabuti. Ha? Think about it.
Transformers of Mario.
They don't have Yeah, the costumes. Sonic, you get Sonic.
Mommy.
The damage has been done.
And also, Mommy, can we buy the whole Singapore and
No.
Legoland?
Daddy, how are you? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Today's my birthday?
We miss.
Today is my birthday.
Yes. Thank you. Oh, you bring this. You carry this. This is yours. Hello guys! So, we're here na sa hotel and we are so exhausted. Yes, nakakapagod po ang lakaran doon. Di ba, Lev? Lev, nakakapagod yung lakad.
Yes.
But are you happy? But are you happy? Are you happy with your birthday? Nag-shopping yan. Where's your shopping? Where's your shopping? Huh? Where's your shopping? There. Anyway, ayun. Si Daddy nasa labas. Kasi umuwi na kami. Hindi na kami kumain doon. At guess what? As usual, Jollibee. Nagpa-order na lang kami kasi parang ayaw na talagang maglakad ng mga paa namin kanina. Again, Jollibee for the birthday boy. Happy birthday! Can I kiss you? I love you.
Sakto lang yung kanin o ano.
Thank you, Daddy. Let's eat. London, happy birthday. Are you happy? So much? Kiss na. Good night. Say good night, guys. Good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.